There's 2 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and 2 teaspoons of raw sugar. Put it in a bowl, and every day you have to feed it a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of sugar for a whole 7 days, and that creates the magic. And if you look closely, you can see the ginger beer bug alive. It's alive. Look at that. I've been feeding my bug every day for 7 days, and I've had a whole week to come up with a highly professional bottle design for my alcoholic ginger beer. Time to make the actual ginger beer part. So, it says in a large bowl or bucket, I've got my good sturdy boiling pan, 3 cups of raw sugar, 2 teaspoons of cream of tartar. So we need a litre of boiling water. Luckily, I've got one here. Close enough. Okay. So you have to stir the boiling water and the sugar and cream of tartar around in your massive receptacle for a little while before you add a whole bunch of cold water. So this is the raw sugar and boiling water dissolving. Okay, the sugar and cream of tartar has dissolved, so now you have to add 3.5 litres of cold water to your mix. And now the exciting part, which is to put your bug in. Now I'm not sure if you're supposed to put all the sludge, which is 7 days worth of ginger in. And the other flavouring is the juice of 2 lemons, so let's get that in. It's quite exciting. Oh, look at this going. I feel like I should get a little strainer for this. I think we're getting into sludge territory here. The reason I chose this recipe is one of the comments. Now I'm going to read that out to you. I made this recipe and decided to try it after a week of fermenting, but it had already become alcoholic ginger beer. Next and final step is to put your ginger beer into your bottles and containers, and then you leave it for 2 whole weeks. I made this all by myself. I don't have a funnel, but I have a small plastic jug. And this is not going well. And sometimes you have to release some of the gas, as it were, so the bottle doesn't explode in the garage in the middle of the night. Get a load of that in ya. That's 1 bottle done. 2nd bottle done. Quite exciting, really. Put the lids on tight. And pour the rest of it into the whey protein tub. That's me done at the moment. I will see you in a couple of weeks when I take these bad boys out of the garage and give it a taste test. The wait is over.